Hi everybody, Martyn the Flick and Feathers again today, tying another foam terrestrial, tractor, Louiselle's Pink Lady Hopper. As always, there will be a materials list in the description along with a link to social media for Flick and Feathers and a link to the Patreon page for anybody that wants access to the patrons only material and to be eligible for future fly giveaways. So I'm starting my hook and device. It's a size 10 I'm tying. Just use your preferred hopper hook, terrestrial hook. Run on a base of pink thread. I'm going to take a round ended bit of foam. This is just, I've just used a round ended body cutter, but you can just cut a strip and kind of round the ends if you wish. The pink foam. 2 or 3 wraps enough, just hold it. Take a couple of wraps in front and a couple of wraps behind to sort of anchor the thread, and then I'll take another one over the foam, and that stabilises it a fair bit. Underwing, I'm going to get some pearl crystal flash. I'll take about 3 strands. Double them over. Take one away, I'll double them again. That's enough for the underwing. Tie this in so it's just extending beyond the back of the foam, maybe 3 or 4 mil. Something like that. Don't worry if it's uneven. If you get any excessively long bits, trim them off, but I don't mind it being a wee bit sort of uneven. And we'll take some deer hair, a bunch. Clean out all the underfur, and I'll stack it. I'll come in and I'll tie that in so the tips are just extending beyond the crystal flash. Take a pinch and wrap, catch that in. Just ignore the butt ends just now, pull that nice and tight and make sure everything's up on top of the foam. Just put it up, just pull it, it will come up. Right, you need to make sure that's nice and clean on the underside, right? You don't want any fibres coming round underneath. That will ruin the profile. Trim away the waste. Again, make sure everything's nice and tidy here. Then I'll take a white piece of foam, same size, same shape. We'll offer it in on top. Nice straight wrap of thread. Catch it in. Now you might need to manipulate it a wee bit because the butts of the deer hair might fight you a wee bit, but that's manageable, it's fine. Then take my thread forward to about an eye length behind the eye. Catch my pink in, nice and secure. Then I'm going to take a wee touch of super glue, just put it on top of the pink. press that down, and that'll stick these two together. It'll secure your deer hair thoroughly and the butts of the waist of the crystal flash. So then we've got the white tied down as well. I'll trim them just in front of the eye, a wee square head. I don't round the edges. It's a nice wee short compact body. My sighter, I'm just going to use another bit of pink. Same pink, just a wee scrap. 2 wraps to hold. Trim that away. And the last thing, just your legs. I'm using white silicone legs here. Still for them on top. 2 wraps of thread, and then you can just pull them into position. Oops. At this stage you can still adjust them. You pull the legs back and give a turn in front. That locks it in place. Gives you a nice X shape, then I'll lift everything up and I'll bring my thread to the front. Just whip finishing by hand. Find it easier, especially under these kind of bits of the tiger foam there. Trim that, take the back end of the legs, line them up, we'll just trim them the length of the body, which is nearly perfect, and then I'll just make sure my front legs are even. The last thing I like to do is I just come along the entire underside with a bit of head cement, protect those thread wraps, and sort of fuse everything in one piece. So there you have it, the Pink Lady hopper. Maybe a bit unusual, but these pink hoppers do work well. This is just a nice wee, quick, easy pattern that you can tie up and try out. So I hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines guys, bye.